loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys a super exciting Stitch Fix unboxing. You guys know I love Stitch Fix. I think it's such a fun service. If you guys are not familiar, Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription clothing service. They offer not only clothes, but they have shoes, accessories, jewelry. They also cater to men, women, children. They have women's plus, straight size, maternity, and they just have a ton of different options. So with Stitch Fix, you are matched with a personal stylist for $20 a month. That stylist is going to pick and choose items based on your wants, your needs, your preferences. You do fill out a questionnaire online, and you can link your social media so the stylist can see you a little bit better and get to know your style a little bit better as well. I think it's such a fun service. If you guys are not interested in like going out and shopping, especially with this busy time, or maybe you're just looking to like upgrade your wardrobe, I think it is really fun. If you guys are ever interested in trying out Stitch Fix, I always have a link in the description box down below. 100% recommended. Out of all of the subscription services I have tried out, Stitch Fix has always been truly my favorite. Before we get started with this video, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, check out my Instagram if you guys haven't already. I'll have it linked on the screen right here, and it will be in the description box down below. Make sure you're subscribed because the video after this one is going to be a giveaway. I'm so excited. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. It will be up on Monday. But I am going to stop rambling. If you guys are interested in seeing this Stitch Fix unboxing, then please keep watching. So first item we have is from the brand Madison Lilly. This is the Serra cable detail cardigan in an extra large, and this is $44. So this first piece I have to share with you guys is a open front cardigan. It is very pretty. I really do like this. I like the pattern detail in it. It's like taupe and brown. It's definitely nicer quality. I do have a piece very similar to this, or I probably would have kept it. I do think it's very nice. For $44, I don't think that's the worst. I do think you can maybe find pieces a little bit less expensive at like Marshalls or TJ Maxx that are similar to this, but for $44 based on the quality, I think it's very nice. I do, however, wish it was like maybe like 2 or 3 inches longer. You guys will see it in the try on portion. Personally, I just prefer my cardigans to like cover my butt, or at least like cover a little bit lower, but I think it's just based on my height. I think if you guys are a little bit shorter than me, it will fit you at a like kind of that length that I'm referring to. For me personally, I do just wish it was like a little bit longer. The next piece I have to share with you guys is from the brand Emory Park. This is the Ames texture tie front knit top in an extra large, and this is $38. So this is what the blouse looks like. It is a mustard and white striped blouse. It's short sleeve. It has the buttons in the center, and it also ties. It is more of a cropped fitting blouse. It's not too cropped where you're showing your entire stomach, but it is definitely a shorter fit, especially on me. I think it fits right around like right where my jeans, like the top of my jeans, if that makes sense. As you guys know, or maybe you don't know, maybe you're new, but the past 2 months, I'm pretty sure I've received this exact same top. Only one time it was a full short sleeve top, like not cropped. The second time it was a long sleeve top, and now this is the third time I've received it. And they're all like the same, but a little bit different. This one's definitely, the mustard is a little bit darker, whereas the last one, it was a little bit lighter. So they're all like a slight variance, but like, I don't know, it's just weird that I've turned it down 2 different times, so they just keep sending me the same style. You guys know I do love that front, button front like detail in the center with the tie. I think that's so cute. But for me personally, I'm just gonna pass on this again because it's just not something I need, and that's exactly what I mentioned the last time. Is like, I love that top. I thought it was so flattering. I thought it was so fun. It was really lightweight, very breezy, like so easy to wear, but I just didn't need it in my wardrobe, especially right now when I'm looking for more like holiday wear pieces and like winter, but to me this is more like fall, so I'm kind of getting away from the fall clothes and moving more into winter. So this is gonna be a pass, but definitely let me know what you guys think down below. I always love hearing what your favorites were. If you guys got anything good in your Stitch Fix, like definitely leave me some comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. Next piece I have to share with you guys is a skirt. I love skirts, so I was super excited to see one in my box this month. This is from the brand Loveappella, and this is the Livia crochet detail skirt in an extra large, and this is $48. So this is what the skirt looks like here. It is so cute. I do really like this. So it is an elastic waist skirt with florals all over it. The background detail of the florals is like that mustard, but this one's like a little bit more brown than the top I just showed you. And then the florals on here are blue and white. And then as we go down to the bottom of the skirt, there is that like crochet detail center like piece. And then again, more of the florals down at the bottom. There are no pockets in this skirt. There are no kind of other details. It is pretty simple in my opinion. I do think it's really cute. I think it's really fun. I like the fit of it. I like the elastic waistband. I like the length. It is a little short, but I think it still works okay. But this is gonna be another pass for me, unfortunately. And it's because, again, I just feel like this color scheme is very fall still. So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think I should keep this? I really do like skirts, and I think this is a great fit for me, because I do have a hard time finding skirts actually that work for me. I don't know why. I can never find like really good ones. Right, I'm gonna save the best piece for last, so I'm gonna show you one more item before that one. This next item is actually an accessory. You guys know I typically do not get accessories, so I don't get jewelry and I don't get shoes. The reason for that is because I just feel like I have a better time finding my own shoes, like out. I try to get them at like more affordable retailers. However, I do get shoes like once in a while they'll send me them. So this item is a pair of shoes. These are from the brand Report Footwear. These are the Stormy Rain Bootie in a size 10, and they are $40. I thought they were rain boots when I pulled them out. You know, I actually might keep these now that I just said all that stuff about the shoes. I thought they were rain boots. They definitely have that, like, so this is what they look like. They are a black little bootie. They have a very, very small heel, probably less than a half an inch, I would say. They have the elastic on the ankle, so it fits really nice. And then they have this little hoop in the back. They're very basic, but I thought they were they have that like rubber feel and that rubber smell. When I put these on earlier, I was like, that's so weird. They feel like rain boots. And I actually really wanted a pair of rain boots. So actually I might end up keeping these. What were they, $40? That's not like that bad. I wanted a higher pair, but I do think they're kind of cute with the shorter length. What do you guys think? Do you guys own a pair of rain boots? I want a pair that I can wear in like not only the rain, but also like in the slushy kind of snow. They have that one brand that they sell at Nordstrom. I'll link it on the screen right here because I can't think of it. But I've been really wanting a pair of those, and I was thinking about asking for them for Christmas. If you guys have tried them out or you have a pair of them, let me know your thoughts down below. I can't think of the name right now. I've been really wanting to try them out, so let me know your thoughts down below. If you guys don't like them, then maybe I'll end up keeping these because they're not too bad. I mean, they're not like the most attractive boots or anything, but like they're not terrible either. So that is what they look like. And the nice thing with Stitch Fix, if you guys get any shoes or you keep your shoes, they do come with this little dust bag, which I think is a nice addition. As I mentioned, I am saving the best piece for last. So this is from the brand 9 Britton. This is the Laura Cowl Nick ribbed Hacci, Hacci dress in the size extra large, and this is $48. So this is what this cute little piece looks like. I am obsessed. So it is a long sleeve dress. As mentioned in the title, it does have the cowl neck, and it is a like sweater like swing dress in this beautiful olive green color. Like I said, it's long sleeve, and it feels like that super soft like plush feel that I am obsessed with. This one also does have the knitting. I don't know if you can see that detail, but it has some knitting throughout the dress, and the shape of this dress is just very flattering in my opinion. I will tell you guys, it's a tad short on me. If you guys don't know, I'm 5'10", so it happens very frequently, unfortunately. But I am probably gonna throw on either tights or leggings. I think I wanna wear tights though and do some over the knee boots, and I think this is gonna be be so perfect to wear either on Christmas or Christmas Eve. But that is actually going to do it for this video today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and check out my Instagram. Again, it will be linked down below. Definitely make sure you guys come back on Monday. There will be a giveaway going on my channel. It's going to be really fun. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. If you guys are interested, my top, it's a super cute little cozy Christmassy kind of color, Christmassy kind of sweater. It just has this reindeer, oh my goodness, I can't speak, reindeer emblem in the center. It is from Pink Blush. I'll link it down below, and I'll link the haul that I shared it and tried it on and everything down below as well. And again, if you guys are interested in trying out Stitch Fix, there will be a link in the description box down below. They also do offer gift cards, so if you guys are interested in like sending your friends or family like a gift card to try out Stitch Fix, I feel like that would be really fun. I am actually thinking about doing that with some of my family members because I think it's just like a fun gift to, they can get to spend a little bit on themselves and they get to try out the service as well. Before we wrap up this video, please let me know down below what items you think I should keep. I am like stumped right now, so please share with me. Let me know down below if you guys have any video requests. I know we are getting super close to the holiday season, so I do still have some fun videos planned for the holidays, but I am very open to hearing any suggestions that you might have, so please be sure to let me know down below. But I think that's gonna do it for today's video, so I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!